talk about Binance mobile app. Now, we all know that Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And at the same time, it has the widest ecosystem, lot of features that none other exchanges has. In fact, their token BNB is currently trading at $450, which is significant. One of the most appreciated coin of 2021 so far. But the challenge with Binance is it's overwhelming. There are so many things that you can do that it may become confusing for a beginner. And hence, this video is going to help you navigate Binance Exchange like a pro. But first of all, a big thanks to all the users who have liked and subscribed to CoinSutra channel. We are inching very close to 10,000 subscriber and I'm looking forward to hit that milestone soon. Now, many of you might not be knowing me. I'm Harsh Agarwal. I'm the founder of CoinSutra, which was started in 2016. And from past 5 years, I've been helping users like you to learn and understand about cryptocurrency, help you in investing, trading, and eventually making money from the cryptocurrency world. Now, this video is perfect for a beginner, an intermediate user, or even a pro user who has been using Binance, because I'll be covering a lot of aspect of Binance mobile app. And in the another video, I'll be covering about Binance web version. Since most of us are going to be using Binance mobile app, this video is going to be very, very helpful. So without further delay, let's go ahead. Let's learn everything about Binance mobile app. Alright, so Binance mobile app is available for iOS and Android, and I highly recommend you to get the link from the description or from their official website. Or you might end up downloading an app which may resemble like Binance but may be a scam or a scam Binance app which has created to steal your money. So always download the app from the official link. You can find the link in the description or you can find the link on the official website of binance.com. So once you have the app, you open the app and you'll have a screen like this. What you need to know here is that at the top you can see it's written Binance Lite. So Binance mobile app has two versions within the same app. One is Binance Lite and Binance Pro. Now, if you really want to understand Binance ecosystem, I highly recommend you to use Binance Pro. And to do that, you click on this profile icon on the left side. You uncheck this option which says Binance Lite. So once that's done, that opens up Binance Pro, and this is how the Binance Pro website looks like. So, this is the home page. Let's just get used to this home page. So there are shortcuts over here, deposit, referral, launchpad, and more. Now, these are some of the common functions that you can quickly navigate. One good thing here is you can click on edit and you can add or remove any other feature that you want to add like this. And yeah, once you're done, click on done. You go back. Okay, you go back and then your shortcuts are rearranged. For the first time, if you are just getting started, you can buy Bitcoin using a credit or debit card. For this, you need to click on this icon. I think they allow up to, in single transaction, you can buy up to $5,000. So let's say you want to buy BTC or Bitcoin, you can select Bitcoin, or you can buy USDT. You can type 5,000. Okay, so 4,500, let's say, and then you can add your card and then you can make a purchase of crypto. Or also you can always go to wallets from the bottom. You can go to deposit. You can select BTC or USDT and you can transfer Bitcoin. Let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin, you can click on BTC. And this is your BTC address over here. So you can just simply transfer Bitcoin from any other exchange like WazirX or Coinbase to Binance account. So let's go back to the home page, and then so that we don't miss important stuff. So let's click on this profile icon at the top left. So here you can see few things. At the top left, your email address is there, then your ID is there. This ID will be used at few places when you are reaching out to your support staff. Then you can, go to settings. You can make some changes over here. Like you can change the theme from dark to light. Let's keep it light. Should be easier for you to see the tutorial on YouTube app. Okay, so you can make more changes. Like you can select your payment default currency to USD or your local currency, whatever you want to use. So once that's done, there is not much. You can see your VIP status. So my VIP status is shown as VIP 1. You will start with VIP 0 and then you navigate ahead. And that depends on the volume. So we'll talk about the Binance VIP status in some other video. All right. So another thing, if you can also deposit USD using bank transfer. So there is Silvergate Bank Swift transfer you can do to deposit USD to your Binance account. It's a Swift transfer which works with almost all the countries in the world except of course US. US is not allowed to use Binance app or Binance.com. US users can use Binance.us. Now in the ranking list, if you as you go down, you can also see like some of the top coin like which are hot, some of the top gainers, top losers. And you can also see the coin based on the maximum volume in last 24 hours. So it's a good way to keep a check on what's happening in the market. Now talking about market, you can click on market at the bottom, and you can see there are different options. There is spot market, there is future market, and there is zone, which is a new thing. But let's stick with the spot market. Once you're in spot market, you can, let's say you want to work with BTC USDT pair. So for USDT or USDC or BUSD, which is stable coin, you need to select fiat. And here you can see all the fiat pair. Now let's say if you want to use BTC USDT pair, you can always search coin pair and you can search for BTC. And here BTC USDT pair is there. Now, if you notice that this pair has a star icon which is selected, and you can also select, let's say BTC USDT, you can select this. This will add your coin to the favorites. What that means is, let's go back. When you click on favorite, you can see all the coin that you have selected will be shown here. Now so this is very useful because there are many pairs on Binance exchange. So if you're working with 10 or 15 coins, you can select them, add them into your favorite, and that's an easy way to navigate your favorite coins. All right, now you may ask like how do you trade a coin? So for that, you go to trade at the bottom. You can always click on this icon at the top left and then select your pair based on the favorite. So in this case, let's select BTC USDT. And then you have buy and sell order. Now, if you're coming from a very traditional market or traditional exchange, you may find this screen a little confusing. But what you need to know is you can place limit order, market order or stop limit, and OCO order. What it means is that, let's say if you want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, so you can simply add $1,000 and buy at market price, like whatever the best market price it is right now, you can buy coin at the same price. But if you feel that you want to like buy at certain price, let's say $59,000, you can then add 1,000 Bitcoin. So when the price actually reaches $59,000, then you'll be able to buy with the limit order. So you can always click on this information icon here to read more about what this order type is. Similarly, you can place a sell order like that. Now at the bottom, you can see all the open orders, which the order which you have already placed. And yeah, pretty much that's it. You can always go to margin or other market from the top. So that's what the trading is all about. Now there are more features on trading, but let's say if you want to convert BTC into ETH. So rather than using spot market, you can always click on convert, which is at the top left. And then you can select your pair and then you can convert your BTC into ETH. So you can preview conversion, and if you're happy with the current rate, you can purchase right away. So that's how you navigate the trading part. Now future is a topic for some other day. It's a topic in itself, but if you like future trading, you can use Binance future account, which is actually very popular. In fact, more popular than the spot trading at this moment. All right, so now next is the wallet. As you can see, Binance has multiple wallet. Like for spot, there is spot wallet, there is future wallet, there is CoinM future, and there is earn wallet. And then there is overview. Now we are at overview. We can always go to spot. We can always go to other margin and future. What you need to understand that overview shows you the entire balance of your Binance account. Whereas if you go to spot would show you the balance that you have in your spot account. Earn is a Binance saving account, which actually let you earn an interest by investing your money with the Binance saving account. So let's say you have 100 USDT, you can lend that 100 USDT to Binance saving account, which you do that by going to homepage. Here you will see, click on more. Under finance, you'll see this option called savings. You click on that. You can click on USDT. You can click on subscribe. And then you can add your subscription over here. And you can see that estimated annual return is about 6% at this time. So that's how you do the saving account. And yeah, let's say you want to you want to transfer fund from one account to another, like you have fund USDT in some other account. You can always click on deposit. You can select the amount coin that you want to deposit. For example, let's say you want to deposit mana. You click on mana and you'll see your deposit address here. Just so you can simply scan the QR code, or you can share this deposit address to deposit your fund. Then there is Pay account, which is pretty new. That's Binance Pay. Binance is actually dabbling with PayPal-like feature where you can, make payment using Binance account. They have already integrated with a service called Travala, and they are in the future. I'm hoping to see more services. But yeah, to start using Pay feature, you can always click on transfer. You can transfer fund from your spot wallet to your Binance Pay wallet, and then you can start using it. Once you actually start using this app, you'll be able to navigate this easily. Now let's go back to home, and here there is one interesting thing that you need to know. Always click on more. Here you will see a lot of options, and highly recommend you to go through all the options because some of the options are pretty interesting. For example, there is an option called Launchpad where you will be able to invest in the coin which are launching only on Binance, and it is a upgraded version of ICOs where many tokens are being launched on Binance using Binance Launchpad. So you click on Binance Launchpad, and like right now the TLM is one coin which is the part of launch pool. So if you like this coin, you can always stake your coin. Let's say I'm staking BUSD, and you'll be able to accumulate this particular token which is called TLM Alien Worlds. And the farming is in progress. You can always click on pending harvest, and you can click on harvest all to accumulate this coin. Now this coin which you have accumulated will go to your Binance Spot account. Congratulations for making so far. I know this was a lot of learning, but again, making money is not easy, and Binance is a platform which can actually help you to do that. And yeah, if you have any question about Binance mobile app, feel free to ask us in the comment section. I've already covered about many of the Binance features like Binance Pay, Binance Earn in earlier videos, and I highly recommend you to check it out. I will leave the link of Binance mobile app, Binance website, a special discounted link to our other videos, and some of our blog resources in the description or in the first comment. Do check it out. It will help you to level up your knowledge. And do not worry, even if you're just starting out, Binance is actually a very user-friendly platform, and it will help you to understand and navigate in the crypto world in a much better way. In fact, you are actually one of the smartest one in your group who's actually dabbling with cryptocurrency, and maybe it could make life-changing money for you. Definitely, I'm not an investment advisor, but I've been watching this space from last half a decade, and I can tell you this is an exciting industry to be a part of. With that, guys, I will see you in the next video. But before you go, just do me a quick favor. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your other friends or family who are looking to get into cryptocurrency, who want to understand how to use Binance. It will change their life for sure. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye. This is Harsh. Yeah.